Moving on to the mystery. Here's the mystery that is confusing the entire world, ladies and gentlemen. Where exactly is Iran's enriched uranium? Well, according to reports, much of Iran's uranium stockpile, it may still be located at Isfahan nuclear complex. But after repeated airstrikes and military tension, global inspectors are struggling to fully verify what remains over there. That uncertainty is very dangerous because in international politics, uncertainty creates fear. In fact, the International Atomic Energy Agency reportedly believes hundreds of kilograms of highly enriched uranium could still exist inside Iran's facility here. And if that is true, that means Iran still holds significant nuclear leverage here. Experts say that uranium becomes easier to enrich as purity levels rise. Growing from low-level enrichment to 20%, it's very difficult. But let me tell you here, moving from 60% towards 90% becomes much faster. That technical reality is why the entire world is suddenly nervous again. Satellite images, military intelligence reports, and international inspections, they are now becoming very important piece of the global puzzle. Because if inspectors cannot fully track Iran's uranium stockpile, mistrust between nations will only deepen further. And tonight, global powers are asking, has the Iran nuclear crisis entered a completely new phase? Now, let's talk about China because while America is focused on Iran, Beijing is quietly expanding military power. Reports suggest China is preparing a very powerful new supercarrier, adding pressure ahead of Mr. Trump's major summit with Mr. Xi Jinping. And at the very same time, America is targeting Chinese-linked companies accused of helping Iran's oil trade. So now, two major global conflicts are merging: the US-China rivalry and the Iran crisis. And you know what? This is making the global market so nervous. Oil prices are unstable, shipping routes near the Strait of Hormuz remain sensitive. Investors fear a wider geopolitical escalation here, and in the meantime, China appears determined to show that it will not easily bend to American pressure here. Well, China's growing military modernization is always changing the power equation in Asia, specifically around Taiwan and the South China Sea. And suddenly, Mr. Trump's meeting with Mr. Xi Jinping, it is no longer just another diplomatic event. It cannot be. It looks like a power struggle, maybe a global power showdown. Because behind every diplomatic handshake, there is now growing strategic competition between Washington and Beijing.